How to fix allow microphone missing in iPhone settings. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue when the allow microphone option is missing in iPhone application settings so you can enable microphone access again. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to settings and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on applications. So you're going to select the application for which you are encountering the issue. So let's say that you're encountering the issue for Instagram. So you're going to click on Instagram and here you'll be able to see the option of microphone. You can see that the option is toggles on right now. But however, if it is toggles off like this, you're going to click on it so it becomes green and toggles on. And this will pretty much fix your issue. If it doesn't resolve your issue, you can head over and restart your iPhone. And after restarting, the issue might be resolved. And if the issue is still there, it might be because of your software. So you're going to go to settings again and you're going to click on general and then you're going to click on software update and make sure your phone is updated to the latest version. If not, that you're going to update your software, and once you do so, you'll be able to see that the issue has been resolved. So that was how you can fix allow microphone missing in iPhone settings. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.